Black holes in orbit around a normal star are detected from the Earth due to the frictional heating of infalling gas into the black hole, which can reach a temperature greater than 10 raised to 6 Kelvin. Assume that the infalling gas can be modeled as a black body radiation, then the wavelength of maximum power lies. So, according to Wind's displacement law, we can say that this lambda is inversely proportional to the value of temperature, or you can write lambda is equal to Wind's constant divided by temperature, and the value of Wind's constant is 2.89 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by the value of temperature in this situation is given as 10 raised to 6. So we'll get the value as 2.89 into 10 raised to minus 9. So our wavelength is in like in this range. So we can find out what is the corresponding electromagnetic radiations over here that you will learn in chapter known as the electromagnetic spectrum. So you can just observe this electromagnetic spectrum. So in electromagnetic spectrum, we can observe that 10 raised to minus 9 or 10 raised to minus this is 10 is related to this X-rays. So we can say that according to the given options, these X-rays, this will be near to this X-ray region.